Omar taught crypto the boring way, the honest way. No moonshots, no hype, just how the thing actually works and how not to get burned. 2 years of patient videos and 300,000 people who trusted him not to sell them a dream. So he built a paid academy, sold through his own website. His students signed up, typed in their income, how much they were ready to risk, their card details, and paid. The analytics, the chat widget, the tracking, he assumed the platform handled all of that. The letter came by email on an ordinary Thursday, tucked between 2 exchange newsletters. Dear Mr. Haddad, our client joined on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired: a chat box that copied visitor messages to a third party, a script that recorded every keystroke on your sign-up, including the checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it go away, $47,900 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Omar did not believe it. He was the one who taught people to be careful with their data. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The second his Academy page loaded, before a single person clicked accept, 19 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on his sign-up form. His students, typing how much money they had, how much they were about to invest, their card number, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server he had never heard of. That was the part that hollowed him out. He had built his whole name on protecting people from getting fleeced, and his own website had been quietly leaking their most private financial details to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. His lawyer did not sugarcoat it. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands. $47,900? That was the runway he had set aside to keep making free videos through a bad market. It was the buffer he never let his students go without. It was a punch straight to the gut. But sitting there, Omar realized the fear had an answer. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could face this, knowing what was true, and make his students' trust mean something again. Omar had spent years telling people to protect their own keys, their own data, their own money. And the thing that nearly undid him was invisible, running quietly on his own website every single day. Right up until he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information